Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, last video, we did a lot of great, beautiful work today. Let's keep it going. I did us a favor for this third video, no solution, 0 equals a number, or number equals to 0, and 0 equals 0. Okay, I'll draw the border real quick. I'm sorry. Please pause the video, work these problems out on your own. Do yourself that favor, give yourself that little practice, try it on your own, then watch the video to see how you did it, compare where you might have messed up. If not, if you feel that confident, just boom, 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 go for it. If not, please keep watching the video, take your time. Practice is perfect, I promise. Let's go. Pause the video and then resume it when you're ready. Okay. All right, first problem. We kind of got into a hiccup right away. We don't have a number in front of this parentheses. Hopefully you remember from the very first video of the review. Should come back to light. What do I put right here? Yes, you should put an imaginary 1. That's a -1. Let's multiply -1 times 4. Help me out with the calculator. Boom, boom, boom. You should get a -4x. Next one, -1 times a 6. -1 times a 6. Calculator, boom, boom, boom. -6. Let's do the other side. -2 multiplies times 3. -2 times 3, -6. Okay. -2 times 2 over here, almost at the answer. -2 times 2, use your calculator if you need to. That gives me -4x. Some of us will be able to see the answer right away, but hey, I like working out the stuff. I love math. We're going to keep going. Okay, need variables on this side. I'm going to bring down this -4 because I need some space. -4x. I see this -4x over here. It needs to come over here and be with the other x's. But when I bring over this -4, it turns into a +4x. Cross this out. We don't need it no more. I'm going to bring down this -6. And I can see that this -6 needs to come over here. But yes, when this negative comes over here, it turns positive. And now we just finished the problem. Make sure you read. I'm going to keep saying it. Reading, reading, reading. -4 plus 4. Calculator. -4 plus 4. Uh-oh. Gives me a 0. Zeros are in this situation type of problems. Equals -6 plus 6. Calculator. Uh-oh. Another 0. Looking at all this, what can be my answer? Infinitely many solutions, or as an abbreviation, IMS. Too many solutions for one problem. Try the next one. Positive if you need to. I'm going to go ahead and keep working, but positive you need to keep working on the problem. Okay. Let's do this. There's an X right here. What do I put in front of it? 1. Good stuff. -2 times a 1. Calculator if you're not sure, no worries. -2 times 1 does give me a -2x. Next one, -2 times another 1, -2. Do the next one. Sir, but there's no number there. Hey, we just talked about it. What do we put in front of parentheses with just a negative? Another imaginary 1. That's a negative times a 2. -1 times 2 does give me -2x. -1 times a -5. Calculator if you need some help. Negative times negative gives me a positive. 1 times 5 gives me 5. And we keep doing the same thing over and over and over again. Somebody in tutoring asked me, is this the same thing as last time? It is. It's the same thing. And I love the discussion. I saw how everyone said the only thing that's changing are these inequality symbols. Like, you guys did a terrific job in answering that discussion question. Okay. Bringing down this -2 to make some space. This -2 comes over here, but it goes from a negative to a positive. Nice and slow. Rewind it if you need to. Please rewind if you need to. Canceling out because we moved it. Bring down this 5. Who doesn't belong over here? -2. I pass it over. Turns into a positive. Cross it out. And now we do the calculator. Make sure you read. -2 plus 2. Calculator. That gives me a nice 0 equals. We're taking 5 plus a 2. What do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. I use my fingers there. Pretty easy. Now what do we got if we have 0 equals 7? 0 equals number? No solution. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty good stuff. Please take that mini quiz today. If you have any questions, please, you see my hours on the main page. Just click that click here button, and I'll be right there waiting for you. Have a great Tuesday. Wednesday, we're going to be able to start the review. Sorry, the review starts Tuesday. Wednesday, we have more review. Get ready for the test. Talk to y'all later.